There's been a spurt of IPO activity in Oslo this year. What's behind that?
Well, firstly, I think that you've had rather poor activity in the IPO market last year. And then you had several segments now rolling up as rather favorable fundamentals, such as LNG, for example, specific. The offshore industry, of course, has also had a spurt on the drilling side. And I think that basically favorable fundamentals have been driving at least the shipping LNG side of things at the moment.
Do you think the momentum from this year can be sustained?
I would say so. Dry bulk and tank is a little bit down and out at the moment, but given the fact that they will at some time have to raise capital for expansion, the ones that are in good shape, some of the Norwegian names are in fairly good shape, they will need to raise capital to do expansion, and I think that the investors see that when markets and fundamentals are poor, it's a nice buying opportunity because you get a price thereafter.
Do you think Oslo will continue to be the main route for Norwegian shipping companies, or do you think they'll be more drawn towards the US like the Greeks have been?
I think that Norwegian shipping companies will remain focused on the Norwegian stock exchange and the capital markets, mainly due to their the Norwegian investment environment and investment group of investors in Norway. But we are now seeing, for example, Golar doing they had a dual listing, but they're also doing the MLP, and I think that other companies with sort of long-term contract assets will be interested to look at the US going forward.
LNG's been the success story of 2011. How long do you think that boom can be sustained?
I think that boom will be sustained for at least through 2011 and 12, possibly into 2013. There is a lot of vessels now being ordered by independents and less so by projects, which could potentially be a showstopper for LNG in 2014. The LNG fleet is very inefficient, and if you could increase efficiency of the LNG fleet by project owners, you could potentially see that the market is going to fade a little bit in 2014 onwards.